Okay, guys. Good afternoon, all. This is a very good Thursday, and we have completed our first unit in the previous session. So far in the first unit, we discussed four major concepts. That is, what is marketing and what is marketing management, and we discussed about what are marketing mix, and we discussed about core marketing concept, and we discussed about marketing concepts. These are the four topics we discussed, and along with finally we saw also marketing environment. So five major topics we discussed. Okay, even in interview perspective, this unit is very important. If you're going for any interview, surely they will ask what is marketing mix, they will ask what is marketing environment. These two questions, even if you are asked when you are awake from the sleep, you have to answer. So you just don't read for exam perspective but for a career perspective, because marketing is a wonderful job. World without marketing is very questionable. Okay, so based on all the topics we discussed so far in the first unit, today we are going to have a case study. So the case study is on Amazon. The case study is already posted to you in the group. So now I will ask one of you to read the case study to introduce to the students. Then we will have a short discussion about Amazon and we will be finding the answers. So end of the session, today and tomorrow you spend some time and prepare a small report, and you have to upload it in Moodle as your final assessment for the unit 1. So unit 1 is consist of three assessment. That is, first one is know me. That is a small activity we did with a photo image about your self introduction. Then we talked about need and want, like what are the products you need and want. And finally now we are touching into a case study. So all this activity is focused on your learning perspective. You will learn something from the unit 1. Okay, shall we begin? Can I get a quick yes from the chat box? Shall we begin? Yes, okay. So now I am sharing the case study. Hope is it visible? Brito is there? Okay. Brito is there? Brito? Can anyone read? Any volunteer want to read the case study? Hope my
Shall I,
screen is
sir?
visible. Can yes, you can, yes, yeah.
Case study Master of the Online Supermall.
Yes, yeah.
Except from Business Today, May 2004. Amazon.com could well go down in history as a loud child born of the heady feeling that the stock market had with dot coms in the late 1990s. But the company founded by Jeff Bezos in July 1995, when the internet was still an untested business medium, is a survivor for excellence. It founded a bit in the swirl of the dot-coms bust, but unlike thousands that were swept away, Amazon.com reinvented itself and emerged stronger. The 40 years old Bezos, a computer science graduate from Princeton University, is a pioneer of internet retailing. His compelling vision introduced a new paradi- paradigm for retail, the click and buy model, buy goods from a website instead of a physical store. From where there is an internet connection, home, office, or cyber cave.
Okay, thank you, Agilan. Can anybody else?
Welcome.
Anybody else will read this another para? Santosh, can you read, Santosh? Santosh, can you read? Okay, Agilan, you
Okay.
continue, Agilan. Okay. Agilan, you continue, Agilan.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. A model that gave convenience to buyers and mind-blogging market reach to sellers. Named after the mighty Amazon River and its numerous tributaries that surge through dense rain forest, Amazon.com was started with the initial investment of a few $1,000. In less than 3 weeks after the website went live, Bezos and his wife magazines were pulling in sales of over $20,000 a week, and soon after going public in 1997, the company had a market capitalization higher than that of its brick and mortar rivals. In 1999, Bezos was chosen as a Time magazine's Person of the Year, but things changed soon after and the dot-com buzz saw Amazon.com lost almost 90% of its market cap in 2000. Bezos did not give up on his vision. He set about transforming Amazon.com from the website selling books into something much bigger, the world's largest online retailing platform. A series of tie-ups with companies like Toys or US and Target help give the website the feel of an online supermall where a customer could buy almost anything. Marketing initiative followed, from free shipping to highly discounted prices to every customer's offerings based on customer profile to use distributing those kits that can divert the traffic to Amazon.com for a small commission. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
Agilan, you can mute.
Yes.
Yes, Agilan, you can mute. I think there is some noise around you. Fine. Thank
Yes.
you. Yeah. Okay. So far we have read the case study. Uh, can anyone come forward and unmute yourself or put it in chat box? What is Amazon? What is Amazon.com? What is Amazon.com? Put it in chat box. No issues. What is Amazon.com? It is online trading. Okay. So in India we have got Amazon.in. Amazon e-commerce platform. Nice. Nice. Good. Okay. So in the case study, we saw different scenario. So we will just go through what is Amazon, and we will deeply discuss on what we have to learn from this case study. Okay. Uh, Franklin, Franklin,
Yes, sir.
Franklin, can you tell about the Amazon? What is Amazon doing? What's the story behind the Amazon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to narrate about Amazon company.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Trade, trade name Amazon. American
Okay.
multinational technology company. Amazon focus on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and AI. It is considered one of the big four technology companies,
Sorry,
along
Franklin.
with
Sorry, Franklin. Can you show your face and talk?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shall I start, sir? Hello.
You can start, Franklin. Yes.
Okay, sir. It is considered one of the big fourthest technology companies, along with Google, Apple, and Facebook. Stock market price US dollar 3,260.48, and the CEO and founder Jeff Bezos founded founded July 5, 1994, 20 years ago. Bellevue, Washington, United States. Headquarters Seattle, Washington, United States. Area servers worldwide. And the product Ego, Fire TV, Fire OS, and Kindle. Services Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Web Service. Revenue US dollar 280.522 billion in 2019. Operating income US dollar 14.541 billion in 2019. Network income US dollar 11.588 billion in 2019. Total asset USA dollar 225.248 billion in 2019. Total equity USD dollar 62.02 billion in 2019. Number of employees 8,40,400 in 2020. Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform and international company. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Franklin. Thank you for introducing us with Amazon.com. So you all got what is Amazon, right? Now, can you answer what is Amazon? What is Amazon? What is Amazon.com? So it is, as Franklin told, it is a e-commerce platform. Okay. Hope my screen is visible for all. Okay. So he is the person who founded the Amazon.com is called Jeffrey P. Bezos. Okay. He's known as the innovative founder of Amazon.com. Why he is called as the innovative founder means no one thought online shopping before Jeff. Okay. So no one imagined an online store. So we were talking about one particular keyword, a keyword called e-retailing. So the concept of e-retailing was never there. The e-retailing means retail means you go to shop and you buy product. E-retailing means computer based retailing. You go to shop virtually, that is electronically you go and visit. That is what a keyword in the case study we saw, e-retailing. So Jeff was the only person to find it. He quit his job and he started Amazon. So there are beautiful story behind how the company is started. So the company started a small garage like this in his home, Bezos home. So Bezos started the Amazon officially in the garage, very small space. Even if you browse in the internet, you will find some information that they have servers in their home. So all the electricity will be used for the servers. So Bezos' wife, if she puts hair dryer or a vacuum cleaner, the whole current will go off, it seems. So those many struggles the company had faced in early days, but slowly they started into the business. First, they were selling only books, nothing much. They did not focus on any other products. That's what we saw. It was early dot com bust. What is this dot com bust, if you ask me? In olden days, we don't have computer, right? Before 1980s, we have never seen computers of much. But in 90s, that is early 90s, there was simply computer companies that came in. The dot com was used. Internet was popularized with different revenue models. So Amazon started selling books through internet. They only started with internet, but the first week of their sales peaked into $20,000. So they found a very big genie in their home. Genie means a kind of a ghost, in movies. The Alauddin Arpuda Vilak, you might have seen it. If you scratch the lamp, the genie will come out, it will give the wish. So internet was a genie for Jeff, so he used it superbly. And then company faced a lot of struggle. Then they pushed into a complete online store. Whatever you want, you can get it. So this is how the Amazon journey is started. And it is, as Franklin told, the Amazon is a very wonderful company in revenue generation. Okay. So Amazon story is a very interesting story. Everyone can read a lot about Amazon. So it is there in the internet. You can always go through. So the agenda for today's session is how Amazon used marketing. So that is what we are going to find. So at the end of the presentation, I mean, at the end of the case study, we had three questions to answer. Okay. How does Amazon.com bring utility or create value for its customers? So, this was the first question that we are going to face. So, anybody like to answer how Amazon attracts its customer? See, we see this many uh, revenue generation. Okay. So, 61 billion generation is coming up in Amazon. How they attract these many customers for creating this revenue? Any idea how Amazon creates a revenue with the customers, or
The
how it
product
creates?
are available in one place, sir.
Okay, products are available in one place. Nice. So the customer value is created. You create multiple products in one place. Okay, nice. Any other anyone want to give any other point?
Sir, instead of physical store, it provide online marketing, sir.
Yes, instead of physical store, it provides online marketing. Okay, nice. Online shopping, we can put it as online shopping. Good. So, like, okay. Those in original brand. Okay, Santosh tells they send original brand. Nice, nice. Santosh. Yes, they send majority. They send original brand. Nice. Anybody? How many of you used Amazon before? How many of you used Amazon before? Can you put it in chat? If you yes, if you put it as yes. If no, there is no. How many of you used? Yes. Franklin tells yes. Okay. Dinesh tells yes. Nice, Dinesh. Okay, Dinesh. Dinesh, what product you bought, Dinesh, from Amazon? Put it in chat. If possible, unmute and talk. Jerome Marshall also brought. Okay. Yes,
Sir,
Dinesh. Yes.
mobile phone I order you.
Okay, Dinesh. Mobile phone you ordered it. So how you failed, Dinesh? You will you buy one more mobile in Amazon, or you will not buy Amazon from Amazon?
Amazon. Yes, sir. I only got one mobile.
Okay. Will you buy another mobile in the future, or you will not buy?
I buy, sir.
You will buy. Okay. What is the reason, Dinesh, you buy from Amazon?
It's fast and delivery, sir.
Costs are very good. Okay.
And advantage of the mobile phone.
Advantage of the mobile. Okay, fine. So there is some value creation for you, right? Yes, Dinesh?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. So the first question we are going to answer it. How does Amazon.com bring utility or create value for its customer? So we learned in our marketing unit one, marketing mix. Amazon puts a very clear marketing mix. What are the components of marketing mix? Can anyone tell? We talked about four P's. What are the four P's we learned?
Product, price, place, promotion, sir.
Nice, Agilan. Yes, really super. Yes, thank you. So, product place price promotion was the main core success of Amazon. They put it very clearly to create the customer value. See, everyone's seen Amazon.com. Yes, right? So, we will just check it out how they are doing it. Okay, they will just browse through the internet and we will see how this Amazon put this product place price promotion. Hope my screen is not visible now.
Visible, sir.
Can you see the Amazon website?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Again, what was the first P? Product, right?
Product.
Yes. See, Amazon has various product. You can get any product. Like you get A to Z. That's what the Amazon tells. A to Z we have. So Amazon. So there is a hidden truth behind the Amazon logo. A to Z you will get. The product is placed perfectly. What is the second P, Agilan? What is the second P?
Price,
Product
sir.
and price.
Price.
Okay. When you get a computer from Amazon, here it is in dollar. We'll change it into we will get a product from if you buy a laptop okay we'll ask Dinesh which mobile you but purchased Dinesh in the Amazon.
Redmi, sir.
Okay, what was the price in Amazon?
Price is Amazon is 8,000, sir.
If you go to shop, what is the price? Dinesh, did you check with the price in the shop?
Price amount is 9,000, sir. Discount only 750, sir.
Ah, okay.
Yes, I buy the 8,300, sir.
Okay, see, so the Dinesh experience clearly tells that Amazon has a product that is in very affordable price rather than in a shop. So product and price is completely done. What is the third thing, Agilan? Product price?
Place, sir.
Yes, place. Dinesh, where you got your product, Dinesh? Where you received your mobile?
In my home, sir.
Okay. And Jerome Marshall, Jerome, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Jerome, where you got your product, your Amazon product?
Sir, in my akka home, sir.
Where place? What is this? What is the place name? Dharmaburi.
Dharmaburi.
Okay, Dinesh, your place?
Yes, sir.
Polo.
Polur. Okay, see, Jerome's location is different. Dinesh's place is different, but both of them got their product from Amazon. See, product price place we have got, and when you go to Amazon, it is there in the last. What is the last thing, Agilan?
Promotion, sir.
Promotion, sir.
Yes, promotion.
Promotion.
See, when you go to Amazon, if you go to today's deal, you will get promotion. They will promote a product. See, Amazon puts superbly on this particular thing, which is called marketing mix. They nicely create this customer value creation in mixing up the product. Marketing mix. They perfectly do it. The only company you can lively take an example Amazon to create customer value, what they do, they put marketing mix superbly. So am I clear? So what is marketing mix? What is marketing mix? Anyone? What is marketing mix? Jerome, can you try? What is marketing mix? Okay, product, place, price, promotion. The four P's are product, place, price, promotion. Okay, so that is what marketing mix. So that's the one topic we learned. Okay. Can you explain the marketing framework of Amazon.com? How marketing done in Amazon? Can anyone tell how marketing done in Amazon? Anyone?
Sir, in television, sir.
Television, yes. Okay, Franklin Television. Lokesh, can you hear me, Lokesh?
Sir,
Yes, Lokesh. Lokesh, have you seen Amazon marketing? How they market their website?
marketing firm, sir.
Yes, yes. How they do marketing, Amazon. How they do marketing. Have you seen their marketing work of Amazon?
Yes, sir. First product, sir.
Okay.
Product shipping.
Okay. So they will
Ship
tell
the
about yes.
product, sir.
Yes, okay. They will tell about the product and they tell about shipping. Nice, nice, Lokesh. Okay. Anything else you've seen?
So that's all.
Okay, Lokesh. Thank you, Lokesh. Yeah. Monica, can you hear me? Monica. Okay. Okay, fine. So okay, so we have seen many advertisements for Amazon. If you open the television, surely you will get their advertisement. In a day, you will at least see two or three advertisements from Amazon. So Amazon's marketing framework is very simple. They do traditional marketing. See, we see television advertisements, newspaper advertisements, magazine advertisements. You can see any type of traditional way of doing marketing. They will be doing it. That is how marketing is done in Amazon. And second thing is they do a lot of offers and discount. Have you seen this great Indian sale from Amazon? Great Indian sale. If yes, if you know yes, put it in yes in chat box. Yes, okay. Frank tells he has seen yes, okay. We have seen great Indian summer sale or great super sale. They get some name for their promotional activity and they give lot of offers and discounts to people, and people will buy their product. And third, they have got affiliated and influencer marketing. This is what recently have coming up in Amazon.com. So what this affiliated and influencer marketing means? Affiliated is if you have a shop, for example, if you have a small shop in your home, you can have products. If you have website, you should have a website, right? So you should have a website. In the website you can post the products from Amazon.com and you can generate leads to Amazon. So Amazon, what they will do, they will give you some commission for it. What is influencer marketing means? They will hire some celebrity or a known person. They will ask them to promote the product. If you've seen some celebrity Instagram photo, they will have a cup with Amazon logo, or they might have bought a product from Amazon, and they'll be telling to you, see, I got this product from Amazon, it is really cool. So all these things will be do. So Amazon also doing this affiliated and influencer marketing. You can also explore this affiliated and influencer marketing. That is very super program if you have a good kind of uh, followers in any platform like Instagram, um, yeah, any Facebook, Snapchat, or if you have a website that many people come and visit, you can have a affiliated program with Amazon, and you can earn some money out of it. So Amazon spends a very good amount in marketing. Okay, Lokesh 3 has put something in the chat. Sorry, Lokesh, I couldn't see it. I will check it. Okay, closely associated or connected with one another. Yes, yes, this is what Amazon also doing. So Amazon also spends good amount of money in marketing. See, this is a annual global marketing cost of Amazon from 2010 to 2019. I took this data from Statistica. It is one of the best website you can refer for different statistics, secondary data. So what Amazon in 2010 they spent less, 2011 they spent little higher, 12 higher. So the graph really grew, and now they are spending nearly around 20 million dollars US for their marketing activity. It is a huge amount. Why they do this much of marketing means they have very good revenue generation. See, They have got a very good revenue, the total revenue of Amazon.com. We have got different products from Amazon. The total of Amazon will be different, but Amazon alone will have this kind of product. Amazon.com alone gets this much of revenue. So for to generate this much of revenue, what they are doing it, they are spending on marketing. So how marketing influence Amazon is very special story. They put a very superb people interaction through their advertisements. They touch you with sentimental way. If you've seen all the Amazon advertisement in TV, there will be a person in Pongal advertisement. See, have you seen that Pongal advertisement in TV? Amazon Pongal advertisement. Wife will be decorating all the home with the products, and the husband will come out. He will say, "Okay, fine. From where he got the product?" He will like, "I got it from Amazon." See, any product you can get it from Amazon. That's what they first will tell, and then they will tell the product are very cheap, so the price also they fixed, and then they will slowly come up with the places, different places they serve. They have got very beautiful logistic supply to summarize all the places and cover all the geographical location. And finally, they got promotion. That's how the marketing mix is used. When you take Amazon's product, that is a core marketing concept, they all again they will check. There is a production, there is a product concept, there is a customer value, there is a satisfaction. So everything they have really comprised in their marketing. So this is how the story of Amazon ends here. The case study is completed now. So do you have any doubts in this case study on Amazon? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. Am I think no. Okay, Franklin inputs yes. Okay, thank you, Franklin. So that's end of the session. We have got one more question. What do you learn about marketing from the Amazon story? So that you people have to answer in your assignment. Make sure you submit the assignment by Sunday. It is there in the Moodle. You create your Word document. You upload it. Thank you all. Have a great day.